In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy candles on Tradingview. Whether you're analyzing historical price patterns or sharing insights with others, knowing how to select and duplicate specific candle patterns can be a game changer for your trading strategy. This tool is especially useful for comparing past trends to current market action, helping you make more informed decisions. If you're new to Tradingview or haven't explored all of its features yet, don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step. And if you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. To get started, open up Tradingview and take a look at your chart. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice the drawing panel. It's a vertical toolbar that contains a variety of tools for marking up and interacting with your chart. This is where we'll find the key feature we need today, the Bars Pattern tool. Now, within the drawing panel, look for the Bars Pattern tool icon. It resembles a small bar chart and is typically located a few rows down in the panel. If you don't see it immediately, don't panic. It might be slightly hidden among other tools, so you may need to scroll or hover over the icons to locate it. Once you've found it, you're ready for the next step. Click on the Bars Pattern tool to activate it. You'll know it's activated because your cursor will change, signaling that you can now use it to interact directly with the candles on your chart. This tool is powerful because it allows you to precisely select and copy a specific sequence of candles, which is key for analyzing patterns efficiently. Next, identify the section of candles you want to copy. Take a moment to visually locate the start and end points of the pattern you're interested in. Once you've decided, click at the very start of the desired candle pattern, then drag your cursor across to the end of the pattern. When you've reached the final candle in the sequence, click again to complete your selection. You'll see the chosen candles highlighted with a shadow or outline, which confirms that your selection has been made successfully. From here, click on the highlighted bars pattern and drag it to your desired location on the chart. This step is particularly useful if you want to compare the historical pattern you've just selected to the current price action. By placing the copied pattern in a new spot, you can easily analyze how similar or different the market behavior is. If the initial placement isn't quite where you want it, don't worry. You can reposition the copied pattern as many times as needed. Simply click and drag it again until it's in the perfect spot. This flexibility ensures that you can align the pattern exactly where you need it for your analysis. Now, let's address what to do if you accidentally select the wrong candles or make a mistake during the process. If this happens, press the Escape key on your keyboard or simply deselect the tool. This will clear your selection and allow you to start over without affecting your chart. Mistakes happen, so don't stress, just reset and try again. Finally, I encourage you to spend some time experimenting with the Bars Pattern tool. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with selecting and copying patterns accurately. Precision is important when using this tool, especially if you're analyzing detailed setups or sharing your insights with others. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to confidently copy and analyze candle patterns on Tradingview, enhancing both your technical analysis and your overall trading strategy. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.